Resort. We're currently in Disney California Adventure, and we're just gonna bring you throughout our day. Today we check into the Disneyland Hotel. We're staying at the villas, but our room isn't ready quite yet. Should we do the Zephyr?
Keep your chassis in the saddle and stay seated until your rocket vehicle comes to a complete stop. Then skedaddle on out through the nearest exit. Thanks for flying the Golden Zephyr. But now it's back to dear old terra firma for you. Just keep your chassis in the saddle and stay seated until your rocket vehicle comes to a complete stop.
Something is new in here.
Oh my goodness. Jasmine.
That's a new one. That's a new one. That's
Jasmine are so cute. It's so cute. But I can't decide which one I like more, either the donut collection or the shaved ice collection. I think that they're both adorable. So let's go and see what flavor we are wanting. Hi guys. Okay, so they have cherry, pomegranate, blue raspberry. What's that? Oh, mango, Joy's mango. Lemon lime, pina colada, pink lemonade, watermelon, fruit punch, and strawberry. Which one do you want?
Strawberry hibiscus, by the way.
Oh, strawberry hibiscus.
Kind of sour.
It's kind of sour.
I choose, the third one.
The third one, the pomegranate one. Can we do a pomegranate one and then a watermelon one, please?
So 2 slushies?
Yes, please. Thank you. Wait, hold that. This one's pomegranate, and this one's watermelon. So we got the new slushy flavors from Bing Bongs. Scarlett got pomegranate, which is fear. I got watermelon, which is disgust. So we're gonna do our initial taste test. You ready? Ooh, that is refreshing.
Oh man, I actually like that.
You like yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to
Let's
switch?
see how.
Let's taste. I think this one's the winner. This tastes exactly like a
Oh man.
what's it called? Like a vitamin water, like a really strong vitamin water.
I get this first.
You like this one better? Let me see. I don't know, dude. I think I like yours better. Should we switch? Time for another ride. Yeah.
Those human thingies that make you not a fish. Legs! That's what this story's all about. Oh, this is such a great story about how Ariel became a wolf. But that Ursula, oh, she's so mean. I'll make you human if you give me a voice, she says.
water's always bluer in someone else's pool. But down here is your home.
One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you gon' be on midday. Oh no, under the sea, under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us and eat us in fricassee. We what the non-folks love to cook. Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no troubles, life is the bubbles. Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Since life is swimming, we got to be here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the whale, they get the edges of the play. We got to stay, we got to hear it under the sea. Play the flute, the cop, play the harp, the bass, play the bass, and this on the chop. The bass, play the brass, the chop, play the top. The flute is the duke of soul. He can play the lead song, the string, the drum, rocking out the blackfish. He sings the spirit and the strike. They know where it's at, and know that flow.
In love with the human one. We sent her to the right place.
Past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me well a witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light and made a switch. Yes, poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help her? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come falling to my cold arms and days and my help. Yes, I do.
Something about her, and you don't know why she died to try to wanna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, oh my, like a button shining, wanna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, and that's how it Here you are. Hope you had a wonderful time. Now, please step out.
We are brand new to the pin hunting game, but this set came out a while ago at the parks, and we just found it in DCA. So I got a pack and Scarlett got a pack, and we're gonna open it up for the first time. Our first little pin haul, we got 2 Small World. Happiness is the Small World, the Haunted Mansion Ghost, and the Mickey hat. My daughter and I are taking advantage of some much needed shade. We got up so early this morning.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired too. What are you playing? Ooh, water level.
Yep.
That's a fun puzzle game too.
I'm level 37.
37?
Yeah.
That's a fun little game to play while we pass the time.
Yeah.
I asked her if she wanted to go and do like Turtle Talk or the Animation Academy, but she said that she wanted to be out in the sunshine. So that's what we're doing.
Right on in. Next party is up to the gates.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me from the giant.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky, save me!
Look home, MissOwski! It's not my birthday! I thought you cared about me!
Come on, this way.
Situation is 99 or 0. Security unit charged and ready. Run out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
I have information on the girl. Now get this back here.
My hair working nice. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
We'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. Up, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area we spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 9990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the
Hello,
situation
humans.
Young lady in the third row.
midday check-in. It is hot. And our neck fans are in the suitcase, which are at the hotel, because we checked them at the bellhop station. So we are dying. We're gonna go into Mickey's PhilharMagic just for a little bit of relief. Thank you so much. One for you, one for me.
Here we go!
Our room is officially ready, and my cousins drove up from Palm Desert so they could check out the hotel and the pool and have a fun pool day.
Whoa.
Hey, Cruzy, go in. Where's Scarlett? Go find Scarlett. Go see Mickey Mouse. Go get him.
Will you girls take a picture? Can I take a picture of you? Scarlett, can I take a picture of you girls with Mickey?
Here is the menu at the Disneyland Hotel poolside food and drink. We have cocktails and mocktails. And then they have a beer and wine menu. And then we have all of the food options. And then on the back, which is something that we missed, they have the desserts and kids. Here's our virgin pina colada. This one is our virgin strawberry daiquiri. And then we also got the fry plate. This was $10 and a pretty hefty amount of fries.
I want dessert.
You want dessert?
Really bad.
We all want dessert. Dessert is always good. Oh look, there's the steam stack. The steam stack's going. How cool. Official taste test of the pina colada. Yeah, alcohol or not, you can never go wrong. Let's try the strawberry daiquiri. To be honest, we got this for the kids. Ooh, I don't like that one. Taste test.
What's the matter? You want your pink? Yeah.
You like it? I'm so glad because we got it for you guys. Life of a Disney baby. Do we like it? Yeah, is it good? Good. All right, Scarlett, let's see. Official taste test. Which one do you like better? You don't like it? You're crazy, lady.
I don't like the very end of the...
You don't like the aftertaste?
No.